What's good, everybody? It's JayArUhCutz. It's been a minute since I've uploaded a video. I just want to say that I'm pretty close to 10,000 views and I hit 76 subs so far to start off the year with 2025. So I'm super excited. Thank you so much for tuning in. Much love to you all. For those of you who are interested in continuing to watching some of my beginner barber content, please do so. Make sure you subscribe, follow, and all that jazz. I just want to do a quick intro video to this new video, which is me doing kind of like a textured fringe on one of my neighbor's sons. I did this as a free cut in my garage, so it's not in the shop, but I'm editing the video right now, and I just figured I'd do this little intro video instead of doing a voiceover on the whole video. So take a look. If you feel like watching, let me know. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification button. Thank you guys. Peace.
Mr. Itadori, you have a call. It's your grandson again.
I guess you probably heard that.
Yeah, I heard.
For the construction company. It says he was last sighted here at Sugisawa 3rd High School during its construction. Yoshida was struggling to make...
Hard ticks to be exact, large blood-sucking bugs. If one bites you, an infection.
Activity, so it's
Yeah, it's like, how's that? it's not bad.
Yeah.
I mean, I like walking in the middle of like.
Who's your teachers?
One's mom.
Wow.
Thanks for having me.
Are you sure you're going to be okay?
Well, I've never done first object.
This.
Oh, yeah, that.
There is a protective talisman, just like the one a little sad. But my grandpa restaurant was incredible. Is it trying to swallow her and the cursed object? I'm not gonna make it. Expecting. I can't make things straight. Itadori, your only chance is to take those two and run for it. We're like maggots. BabylissPro. It'll be a massacre.
What do you think you're doing with my body?
Now exercise you as a curse. The Jujutsu regulation. Yuji Itadori. What's the situation? Huh? Satoru Gojo? What are you doing here? Hey. Yeah, don't worry. I think it's the whipped cream inside that really makes the difference. Since my student's watching, I think I'll show off a little. Yeah. Is he unbelievably fast? No, that's not it. For crying out loud. You Jujutsu sorcerers are always such a pain in the ass in any era!
Each finger and toe?
No, Sukuna has 4 arms. The waste, wouldn't you say?
A waist?
See, there's no assurance another vessel capable of getting a Sukuna will ever be born again. So, here's what I propose to them. Since they've already decided to execute you, why not wait until after you absorbed all of Sukuna to do it? And the higher-ups agreed, so now you have 2 options before you.
I know you won't believe it, but we got attacked.
I'm sorry. But it'll be alright. Someone who can fix Iguchi will be here tomorrow.
Itadori?
Down Super now. You're going to witness some gruesome stuff. And I can't guarantee you won't end up that way yourself. So, I guess you can choose which hell you want.
We're a strong kids. Try to help others.
If all the parts of Sycamore are gone. Yeah, nice try, guy. I said I'd do it, and I will. Hey,
Some have a presence that's overwhelming. Some...
The train bound for Tokyo is now arriving. Please stand behind the yellow line.
4 hours and I'm still on the Morioka. At least I can finally kiss that damn countryside goodbye. The train bound for your safety. Please stand behind the yellow line. Sorry.
Who has a habit of doing that kind of stuff? So why would you not be here now, Judy? Because that's what she asked for.
Hey, popcorn! I want some!
Why, hello there. Are you on the clock right now?
No, not right now.
That's great. You see, I'm looking for potential models. That's what I do. Would you be interested?
I'm in a hurry right now.
Look, just hear me out.
Hey, you! What about me?
Oh boy. Her?
Oh boy, her.
Hey, I'm asking what you think about me.
Oh,
Not
well,
bringing up the
I'm
mother.
in a hurry at the moment.
Right, I'd like you to meet.
Nobara Kugisaki. You should be on with boys. I'm the group's girl.
I'm Yuji Itadori from Sendai.
Division.
Roppongi!
There's a person.
You liar!
This isn't Roppongi!
There's a big cemetery nearby. Nobara, Yuji, you go exorcise the curse inside that building.
Hold on. I thought only curses could exorcise.
If you look at it, you're basically half a curse already. Cursed energy flows through your body. Although, controlling that energy isn't something you can learn overnight. So use this. The slaughter unit. A weapon imbued with cursed energy, so it will work on curses too. I think that will work too. Don't push yourself.
You and I should split up. I'll start from the top and investigate floor by floor. You start from the bottom. Let's knock this out and grab some sushi and pizza.
Hold on a minute. Let's take this seriously. Curses are dangerous, you know.
Logically speaking, it's better if at least I survive. I mean, right? Poor Saori. I wish I could have seen her one last time.
Huh? I missed?
500-meter radius have been evacuated as well.
I have a...
Allow me to explain at idiot level.
been fighting if you carpet bomb it.
The sorcerer on par with the cursed spirit would handle this. And in this case, that would have been Gojo.
That figures. So, where is Gojo then?
Patient and rescue of survivors.
Excuse me, sir. Tell me. What the hell is wrong with the two of you?
Staking it. It's a special grade.
You see what I did?
Kids, try to
Put it on the sides. And it goes up into the length on top. No, I didn't take it down too far. See? Just put it on up here. It's still stylish. I put some over it on top. So I cut it down, but it's still long. Like it? Look like a whole different person, to tell you that much. No explaining, man.
I'm not gonna let you do that.
Is that right? But if you... You'll never stand a chance! Fighting that, you can't!
Fushiguro? It's okay.
On the beat.
This the best time of my life. Man, this feels amazing. Swear there's no replacement. This the best time of my life.